In this video, I will show you how to create and manage Telegram ads. First, go to ads.telegram.org and click on Login to start the advertising process. Enter your phone number with the country code and you will receive a confirmation message from Telegram. Open it and tap on Confirm. After confirming your account, you'll be logged into Telegram's platform. You can either use your personal account or create a new organization. Fill in the details like your name, email, phone number, country and city, then click on Save Info. After that, click on Create New Ad. In the first box, add a title for your ad. In the second box, enter the text that will show to viewers. In the URL box, paste the link you want to promote. Adjust your text or URL as needed based on the preview shown. Choose the initial status for your ad. The default is active, but you can also set it to on hold or schedule it for a later time. Use the ad schedule to set a specific time and time zone. Then, select the channels where you want your ad to appear. You can add multiple channels if needed. Enter the amount and confirm by checking I have read and agree with Telegram terms. Click on Create Ad to finalize it. If you see an error saying your balance is too low, you'll need to add funds. Connect your crypto wallet and pay for Telegram ads. After adding funds, return to your ads manager and click on Create. Your ad will be reviewed by Telegram and shown according to the schedule and channels you selected. If you found this video helpful, give it a like. For more tech videos like this, subscribe. Catch you later.